cage bird. One, 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 two, one, one. Listen. Pressure building to fulfill what I envision. God is my provision, but free will gives me decisions. What's my mission? What's my intention? Never been in this position. All I've done is sit around and listen. I'm tired of repetition. Freeing my mind is something I've been missing. I've been institutionalized with all the lies building inside. A singing cage bird expressing its word. A singing cage bird expressing its word. Wondering how many days till its song gets heard. The somber bird was born to be free, born to believe, but it was deceived. And now it's questioning, could he leave? Full of anger while stuck in the cage. Years pass, suddenly things begin to change. The owner died of old age, but now there's light on the stage. Looking around, fearing the unknown of what could be found. Cause this illusion of freedom got me all in my mind. The seclusion of being confined. Maybe I'm fine. I look at everything from behind.